calling on my phone, I told her knock it off. I don't like when I see cotton mixed with Tylenol. Antisocial, I can't fuck with niggas, not at all.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl GSR Candy, aka Fallout Kid, and I'm back with another video. Back with another POV. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, man. Let's get to it. Look at this dumb shit. We going up all POVs. Last POV, y'all seen that. What happened last POV, but we back. Got the whip back better than ever. Bro got his blink on and not turning. I'll start this POV off nice, simple, nothing crazy. Hope y'all can hear me. I got the AC on, and I'm apologize for last video too, cause y'all couldn't even barely see what was going on. I had the head mount on, and I don't know what's up with the head mount. It just be malfunctioning. Like, I don't know if the phone too heavy or what. It's like it don't be staying up there. It always falls either up too high, and I can't see. So like I can't see to fix it. So today I'm just holding it. You feel me? We gotta go back to the basics. I'm just gonna hold it. I would turn off the air, but I feel like y'all can hear me. I cannot turn off the air right now. It's too hot. It's too hot. But I don't know. Right now, I'm finna go pick up my cousin. About to go see my grandma. And then later on, I should be linking with Big 3 times, you feel me, in the cut. We gonna vibe out, get some content for both our channels, and just vibe for the day. Locking in on car content for real though. And if you somebody who do want to see like the vlogs and stuff, do not be alarmed. You feel me? Don't be alarmed by me not posting vlogs and going into car content. I'm just going and focusing on what I have now, like my resources right now. I got a whip. I got a car that people want, like, and I could do car content, and I got a YouTube, so I might as well take advantage of that while I got it, and while I can, and while this is still like a hype. Cause you never know, one day people might start wanting Dodges. I can't say I will, but other people. But with that being said, do not be alarmed, because I do not plan on giving up not POVs. What's that called? Vlogging. I don't have no vlogging ideas for y'all. Like, I can't do much. I barely go places for real. Like, places that I'll be willing to show y'all. Like, yeah, y'all gonna get the store runs back. But I haven't even really been doing that. Like, bro, I really gotta get back on everything. Like, gym vlogs, all that. I haven't even been in the gym, y'all. Like, it's crazy. So, I'ma just use what I got. Use what I got and what I could give y'all, and stop trying to chase something that is not. Feel me? So, that's why car content is going to be in play right now. But let me see if I can get through this traffic for y'all real quick. I ain't gonna try to go too crazy, but let me see if I can get through it just for a little clip. Nah. Nah. It ain't looking too good. Oh, wait. There we go. Get through there. I got one little weed for y'all. I ain't gonna go too crazy, bro. I just got the whip back as I do something like this. Talking about I just got the whip back. He can't drive. He's swerving. He in the lane by himself. But yeah, alright, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all the next clip. Most likely when I link with Big 3 times so we can get some more content. But like I said, you new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And if you part of the Dodge family, make sure you drop your make and model and give ideas, suggestions that you want to see me do to the car, because I am going to be bringing stuff that I am going to be doing to the car to the channel. So that being said, man, I'm going to catch y'all next clip. Alright, y'all, so I'm currently at Wawa right now, but we are not going to be linking up with Big 3 times today. I'll probably do that in another vid. I don't know if I'm gonna match the vids together, but I'm about to go to the crib real quick, so I'm gonna tap back in. Alright, y'all, so like I said last clip, I ain't make it to go see bro, but I'm back out on the road right now. I'm finna go to Chipotle right now. I'm headed to Chipotle. Gotta get the great easers. Oh, look at that. Oh! Almost smacked that bird, yo. Something just spared bro life. He better be lucky. He better be thankful, because he was almost dealt with. I turned for like a quick little split second, like a little left. But he was still finna get hit. But he made it. He survived. You feel me? But I'm on my way to Chipotle. About to hop. Not hop. I'm about to go get some Chipotle. It's my second time this week at Chipotle, man. My second time this week. Hey, y'all. Pardon me for whoever license plate this is. Alright, y'all, that's gonna be the end of the video. Gonna conclude the POV for today. Tapped out with the mother freaking Chipotle. That's it for the video, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Join the Saucy family. Get in tune if you want to see more car content, man. Let's go. We out.
We told you all the stories, how this came about. Us who was destined for this life. Chosen that water, my shit's about to freeze up. My shit's about to freeze up.